Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and I'm thinking about a healthy omelette or omelette roll. So I have 2 beaten eggs, and I have spinach, I have some leftover steak meat, peppers, tomatoes, onions, green onions, black pepper, salt, some dry cilantro, and some cheese. So let's get started with this. First thing first, I'm going to take care of the eggs. After beating 2 or 3 eggs, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. A quarter teaspoon of salt will be good. Same with black pepper, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Around a teaspoon of milk of any kind that you like. Half a teaspoon of chopped chilies, totally optional. Half a teaspoon of my dry cilantro. Beat everything together. I want my eggs to be flavorful, and what I'm making is egg roll, so I'm going to put all that stuff on the cutting board right in the middle once the omelette for the roll is done. Melt 1 teaspoon of ghee on your cast iron or your heated skillet, whatever you're using. Test your skillet if it's warm enough. Yes, it is. Drop the egg. Roll it around. Make sure it's all even and nice. And the heat is not too high. If you want, you can just poke a couple of holes and then roll it around again. When you roll it around, you make it even. Fill up the little holes we poked. So there you go. Alright, at this point I'm going to add my vegetables on top of it. First I'm dropping the onions and the tomatoes. Make sure everything is evenly spread. Okay, now comes the spinach. This is the baby spinach, and baby spinach does not need to be cooked or very lightly cooked, because this is the one we use in the salads. Add the meat, whatever meat you have. You can have pre-cooked chicken, whatever leftover meats you have, you can use them. Alright, this guy is ready to be rolled. Let's roll it up. Let's see if we can easily move it. Yes, we can. Okay, so we are going to roll this now. This guy looks ready to be moved. Once it's done, you have to let it sit for a few minutes, because the melted cheese, if you lift it right away, it might break. So I'm going to move it to the plate now. This is a little bit of extra heat if needed. Alright, so let's see what we have here. No need for bread. When you make a breakfast like that, you don't need any bread, because you already have everything in there. You have the meat, cheese, you have the spinach. So there you go. See how nice that is? Let me lift this one up a little bit for you. There you go. See the melted cheese, the meat, the spinach, the onions, and I flavored the eggs. So there you go. Breakfast is ready. Bismillah, let's eat. This is easy breakfast. If you want to eat healthy, no need for bread. Just like that, you can enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Thank you very much for watching. Here you go. Bye now.